Hello and welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I'm going to show you a sweet citrus garlic dressing recipe. Are you ready for the ingredients? Here they are. We're going to be using 2 bulbs of garlic and I'll explain how we prepare them later on. We're going to be using a 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of tahini paste, and this is an optional one, 3 tablespoons of mayo. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do with this recipe is you're going to prepare your garlic bulbs. And this is how you're going to have it. And this is just here to show you how to do it. You're going to cut off the top or the hairy bit of your garlic. You're going to wrap that in foil. It's all coming apart, but that's absolutely fine. You're going to wrap that in foil and you're going to bake it for about 40 minutes on 400 degrees. And this is what you should be left with. So I did this earlier, so I wouldn't waste your time too much. And what you're going to do is you're just going to squeeze out all of that goodness. I don't know if you can see all of that, but it's going to be really, really sticky and it's going to be a nice paste. So now we're done. And this is what we're left with. Kind of looks weird. But anyway, we're going to put that into our blender. And what I like about this way of doing things and not just using raw garlic is because we're not using oil, it might be a bit runny, but this kind of adds some body to it, makes it a bit creamier because the garlic is nice and soft. All right, so I'm going to add the mayo here. But this is an optional step, so if you don't want to add that, don't worry. Adding the lemon juice, the honey. The honey makes it taste so nice and sweet and really complements the orange juice. And I've had a question, can you use orange juice from a carton? Yeah, of course you can. I just prefer fresh just because it's fresh and it's sweeter and less, almost less acidic, I find. But you can definitely use the store-bought orange juice. Okay, and that's that. What we're going to do now is we're going to blend this for about 30 seconds or a minute on high speed. Let's do it. Okay, it's all done. Now this is a runnier dressing. If you want something a little bit more consistent, to this I would add some instant clear gel before I blend it and you'll have a thicker dressing. But this is absolutely fine for me. And I'll just show you, oh, it smells so good. You can smell that tahini and the orange, the citrus, and the garlic. And there we have it. Your very own roasted garlic, sweet citrus dressing. I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you next time.